If you love the idea of adding more natural light and architectural charm to your home but feel limited by available wall space, Bow Windows may be the perfect solution. Many homeowners in Rowlett want to enhance their interiors without major structural changes, and Bow Windows offer a smart, space-enhancing upgrade that works beautifully, even when wall space is tight. With their curved design and outward projection, Bow Windows create the feeling of a larger room without requiring extra interior square footage. Here's why they're an ideal choice for Rowlett homes with limited wall space. Expanding space without expanding walls. Unlike traditional flat windows, Bow Windows extend outward from the exterior of your home. They are made up of 4 or more window panels arranged in a gentle curve, creating dimension and added visual depth. Because the extension projects outward rather than inward, you gain additional interior space without sacrificing your existing floor plan. Even a modest projection can create a cozy nook, display area, or seating space that makes the room feel larger. For Rowlett homeowners who want to maximize their living space without a full remodel, this is a practical and attractive solution. Maximizing natural light in smaller rooms. Limited wall space often means fewer opportunities for windows, which can make rooms feel darker or closed off. Bow Windows solve this challenge by incorporating multiple glass panels that capture light from different angles. The curved design allows sunlight to enter throughout the day, brightening your room naturally. More natural light makes small spaces feel open, airy, and welcoming. In Rowlett, where sunshine is plentiful, Bow Windows help you make the most of natural light without needing additional wall openings. Creating a stylish focal point when wall space is limited, every design choice matters. Bow Windows act as a built-in focal point, adding architectural interest both inside and outside your home. From the street, they enhance curb appeal by adding dimension and character. Inside, they create a standout feature that elevates the overall aesthetic of the room. Whether your Rowlett home has a traditional or contemporary design, Bow Windows can be customized to complement your style. Ideal for living rooms and bedrooms. Bow Windows work especially well in living rooms and bedrooms where wall space may be shared with doors, closets, or built-in cabinetry. In living rooms, they can create a cozy sitting area or reading nook without requiring a full room expansion. In bedrooms, they provide additional light and visual space while maintaining privacy. Even in tighter layouts, Bow Windows add functionality without overwhelming the room. Energy efficiency that supports comfort. Modern Bow Windows are designed with energy-efficient features such as double-pane glass, insulating gas fills, and low-E coatings. In Rowlett's warm climate, these features help reduce heat transfer and limit solar heat gain. Despite the increased glass area, high-performance glazing ensures your home remains comfortable and energy efficient. When professionally installed, Bow Windows are tightly sealed to prevent drafts and maintain indoor temperature stability. Customizable to fit your home. Every home is unique, and Bow Windows can be tailored to suit your available space. Custom sizing ensures the window fits proportionally within your existing wall area. You can also choose frame materials, finishes, and grid patterns that complement your home's architecture. This level of customization allows you to maximize impact without overwhelming limited wall space. A smart upgrade for Rowlett homes. If your home feels restricted by limited wall space but you want to enhance light, style, and comfort, Bow Windows offer a creative solution. They expand visual space, increase natural light, and add architectural beauty without requiring extensive renovations. For Rowlett homeowners seeking to make the most of their home's layout, Bow Windows provide a smart, elegant upgrade that transforms your living space in both subtle and significant ways.